Here is the part 2 video of basic step to be followed for painting. Start with an underpainting. Some artists like to begin with an underpainting, which is a monochromatic or toned base layer that establishes the values and overall structure of the painting. This step is optional but can be helpful in creating depth. Work from background to foreground. When painting, start with the background and gradually move forward. This technique helps in creating a sense of depth in the painting. Observe and layer. Pay attention to the details and shadows of your subject. Layer your paint gradually, allowing each layer to dry before adding the next. This technique builds richness and complexity in your work. Be patient and take breaks. Painting can take time and patience. Don't rush the process. Take breaks to step back and evaluate your work objectively. Refine and finalize. As you progress, refine the details and make any necessary adjustments to ensure your painting looks the way you want it to. Sign your artwork. Once you're satisfied with your painting, sign it in a discreet corner. This signature is a way to claim your work as your own. Protect and display. If using acrylics, you can varnish the painting to protect it. For oils, you'll need to wait for them to dry completely before varnishing. Finally, display your finished artwork or store it safely if you plan to sell or exhibit it.